It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you. Life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good.
My baby. My sweetheart. Officer of the law. You look great as always.
Thank you so much. You know, I'm running seriously late. You know, I'm commanding the parade today.
Oh yes, I know. I also have to go to my house and help my mother with the cooking.
It's alright, baby.
Let me know when you get back, okay?
No problem. I'll have to drop you off. Huh? Keep this in the room for me.
Alright.
Yep. Thank you.
Stay. Let me assess you. As always.
Right, let me talk.
Yeah, okay. You're fine.
Thank you so much. Let me rush now.
Are you not forgetting something?
What? Oh, thank you, sweetheart. You see, what would I have done without you? You're such a darling. I love you so much. So much.
I love you too, baby.
Yep.
Okay.
Not that way, baby. Let me keep it this way. Alright. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Right. I'll have to get my bag. Wait for me.
Okay,
Please
bag. Be fast about that.
Life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you.
Colombia.
Greetings, my prince, I'm greeting you. My prince, is there any problem?
Come on! Position yourself. Come on, prince, waiting. Come on, do this thing. Greeting properly. Okay? Come on, my prince. Are you romancing him? Position greeting well.
My prince, greetings, my prince. Greetings, my prince. It's because of the firewood I'm carrying. It's just heavy on me.
So this is how to greet the boy is good, Abi? Eh? Don't you know you're meant to bow properly? I'm
sorry, my prince. Greetings, my prince. I'm
sorry. If no be wanting, I swear, I for just slap. You mad? Were you meant to greet me like that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's because
friend, take this thing and get out of here.
Thank you, my prince.
Fast!
Thank you. Thank you.
Greetings, my prince.
No.
Also.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Come on, come back and carry. Who are you leaving it for?
I'm sorry.
Are you leaving it for your family?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Nonsense. Say greetings, my prince. Just like that. Greetings, my prince. Just like that.
See, let me tell you, this is how to deal with them.
I'm telling you.
This is how. I was even expecting you to slap her or even give her. Slide her.
But you will be coming down. Never calm down.
We believe you.
Assume we Colombia.
We believe you.
Oh, the boy is good.
All the time.
All the time.
He's the terror of his people. The tiger is on the loose. He's the darkness of his people.
Mamo! 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 Yawanya! Come on, go there. Position here. Come on.
You out of your mind? How dare you splash that rubbish and the boy is good? Huh?
I'm sorry,
Guys. Report yourself. Amen.
Come on, no one you can make it take away. No one you can make it take away. Come on, report to the... Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You are not afraid.
The lion is on the road. Is the pain of the kingdom. Ifonye metalubulu mwakaze. Obulu na yuza motadi opala mwakaze. You are terror of the people.
Officers, here are they.
Prince Ahana, another case of assault has been reported against you by this lady. You have the right to remain silent because whatever you do or say will certainly be used against you as an evidence in the court of law.
Move it.
Do you know who I am?
It will be wise for you to save that explanation until we get to the station. Let's move.
I like stubborn people. I'm going to tell you who I am. But it's not free. You're going to pay. My name is Prince Ahana. Ntiwa Obiago Nwakeze. The Crown Prince of Oputo Kingdom. The boy is good.
All the time.
Let's go.
Move it.
You still want to arrest me after telling you who I am, right?
Move it.
Is he also a police officer or your younger brother? Okay, guys, they want us to move it, so let's take a walk.
Joka mana nyakuje noji imana mebu mado joronjo mana nyakuje meni God forbid can the tiger be the shepherd God forbid.
Can't you see y'all all are muggles for real? You could have just told me that you want to escort Me home with my boys.
Yes.
Move it.
But you made a very big mistake. You're meant to come with siren like wow, 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 wow.
Please go.
Move it.
Idiot.
The boy is good all the time.
Come on, move it. Come on, keep quiet. Your name should be Sympathy.
If Azubike brings it from America, then it's okay. I don't say anything. But you use the other one. Okay?
May you live long, my king.
Yes. What is it?
Some policemen are here with Prince Ahanna and his friends.
Here! No. Talk of the devil.
Where are they? I mean, what did they say he has done this time around?
I don't know, my queen, but they are outside.
Okay. Go and tell them that we are coming. Okay?
Thank you.
What kind of thing is this? What kind of child is this? Eh?
My king, please calm down. This is no time for lamentation. It's when we get there we'll know what he has done. Please, just calm down.
Let's go.
Come on, you don't protect me without missile. You're meant to have missile, AK-48, 50 to protect me. Right? Because the boy is good.
All the time.
I like that though.
Okay, neighbor.
And who the hell is this?
Now this one is Sympathy.
Alokba.
Sympathy.
Alokba. Is it a police or is it Lispo? Which one?
Lispo.
Lispo, right?
Yeah, or better
Oh, my father is here.
Greetings, Your Highnesses.
Greetings, officers. What has my son done this time?
This young woman here reported him to us. See how they beat her up. This is the 11th case we've had of him.
Young woman, what did you do to him?
Oh, father, that is why I like you so much. You are such a wise king.
Will you shut up?
Yes, young woman, I'm listening to you.
Your Highness, I was driving and I mistakenly splashed water on him. I came down and apologized to him. I begged him. Yet, he ended up beating me up with his voice.
Are you out of your mind? How dare you splash dating mud on Ntiwo Biago Mwakeze?
Will you shut up?
Oh, Mom, I'm not done. I need to tell her something. Are you not aware that the boy is good all the time?
Shut up!
All the time.
Okay, now I'm done.
Shut up! Come, Ahanna. Why have you chosen to be a black spot on this immaculate royal family? Why?
Anyway, officer, I want to thank you for the respect you have just shown to the royal family by bringing him here to report first. Take her to the clinic, get her treated. I will reimburse you, and then I will take care of all damages that have accrued. Okay?
No,
shut up. And then tell your DPO to see me tomorrow. Okay?
Your Highness.
Father, I don't like this for real. How can you just compensate her? How about my guys have been right here from day one? Have you compensated them?
Quiet. Now the rest of you.
Sir.
If you know what is good for you, you will leave this palace immediately. Before I ask the guards to come after you. Go and leave the palace.
The boy is good though.
Ragamuffins.
Well, Father, I don't like this for real. This is not fair. You just disgraced me.
I will meet you your own way soon. Let's go.
And I'm right here saying you were a wise king, not knowing that my father... Get the hell out of here. Hey, come, I want to tell you something. My father is doing something I don't like. Come, let me tell you. You say my father... Get the hell out of here.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Where's your husband?
I've eaten already.
Oh.
This is for you, specially prepared by my mother.
Oh. My super mother-in-law.
Huh?
Yes.
Please.
Such a nice woman.
She's my mother. I'm not your mother-in-law. Thank you.
How do you mean? Is your mom not supposed to be my mother-in-law?
How so? When you have not done the needful.
Oh, don't worry, my love. You see, soon, I mean very soon, I am going to pay your dowry. I and my men will stun your village. We shut your village down, and they will all know that you are getting married to one of the best police officers in town. Trust me.
Sean, sir. But you have said this to me for more than 4 years. Look at me. I'm not getting any younger.
I know, my love, I know. Calm down. Trust me. Sooner than you expect, I'll get it done. I'll pay your dowry.
All right.
Just relax your mind.
I've heard you. Can you enjoy your food now?
Well, let me enjoy my sweet mother-in-law's delicacy.
Yeah, I've said it again. She's not your mother-in-law. Let me get you on that. She's not. Not
right.
yet.
Alright, oh no. It's alright.
Emotions aside, your life aside. The loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for you to talk about it all the time. You don't waka, you don't inform, you don't misbehave all of the time. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, but you be burning like say you know.
The boy is good.
All the time.
These people are beginning to look down on me. But I will not let them. Never.
You know you are the cause of all this. Yes. At this point now, you, Ntiwa, start breaking their neck. Break their legs. Why are you romancing them? If you're not romancing, start breaking their leg. Let them stop looking down on you.
You know, right?
Yes, now.
Breaking bones activated. I'm going to show them that I am Ntiwo Biago Nwakeze. They will know that I have finally arrived.
See, let me tell you. I and my boys are solidly behind you. Yes.
That reminds me, where are the boys?
Emmanuel, now they went for hunting. Mago 1 or 2.
Oh, I see. When they come back, tell them I want to see them.
Okay, my prince. I'll do that.
The boy is good.
All the time. Ntiwa. Now, Papa, meet me, eh? I'm top for you. Go.
Awalo now.
By mini tempo.
Awalo.
If they enjoy that, I'm going to hey! Ntiwa!
Yeah, cocktail or John now. And egg whip. Oh, no, ahead, eh?
My king, sleep has left the eyes of every reasonable chief in this land. I am here to discuss a very delicate issue with you.
Go ahead, I'm all ears. Talk to me.
It is said that when emphasis is not made with death, it will look as if it's a very simple thing.
Well, that is true.
The harvest this year is very, very bad. And the people are sad. Your Majesty, this land needs cleansing.
If I pretend like I do not know, then I'll be a lying king. I have heard their cries. I've experienced it too. Oh no, I must confess to you that this is the worst famine season I have ever experienced since my reign as king. What do we do?
Let's consult the chief priest.
Oh. That is true. And that is a very good idea. So I urge you to take everything he will need. Tell him to consult Ajuda. Whatever the outcome is, we can then pick it up from there.
You've spoken well, Your Majesty. I must be on my way now.
It's okay.
Extend my greetings to Lolo.
Oh, she was here. and extend mine to your family too.
Thank you very much.
Please remember to take those things along.
I'll be on my way.
I'm now too small for you to notice, right? Did you see me sit down there? I see that you have forgotten that I am Tiwobia Gonwakeze. The boy is good. The heir apparent to the throne of Oputo Ancient Kingdom. I called you back just to remind you, alright, that my own day will come. That is, if you will still be alive.
And I want to remind you that the king of Obodo Kingdom is the only person that wears a crown and not the heir apparent to the throne. Are you aware?
And I also want to remind your Grace Call that the heir apparent to the throne would definitely become the king someday. And when I finally become the king, you already know what your fate will be, right?
Fate! Only fate knows that.
We're saying the same thing, old man. Fool! Big fool! Muggo! The boy is good.
You are still awake. What worries you?
The water has refused to boil.
What water, my king?
My queen, my people are hungry. And I'm just watching. I can do little or nothing to help them.
It is indeed worrisome. This land has always known food in abundance.
Yes, that is true. What has changed? Where have we gone wrong? Anyway, I have asked the Onowu to consult the greater Judah. I hope something will come from it.
That is good. At least very soon this land will return to normal again.
I hope so. I truly hope so.
I do too.
And why have you chosen to deny me of the peace I deserve as king? We have more pressing issues bordering on us in this kingdom, like food shortage. But all you are concerned about is being irresponsible. What is your problem?
Igwe Ofobike, you are the problem, father. Why have you and your wife refused to grant me my request? What will it cost you to put me through military and make my dream of becoming a soldier come to pass?
That is because you have lost your mind. We are here talking about how you will turn a new leaf so that when you become the king of this kingdom, you will know how to lead your people. And you're here talking about joining the army. Is something wrong with you?
Well, Mother, kings don't lead. They rule. When I get to that bridge, I will cross it. You will be alive to see me become that king. You will be alive to see me become a soldier. And I will teach you how it's been done. I will teach you how to rule these people because you are way too soft for them.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up and stop talking rubbish? What is it? Have you ever seen a crown prince join the army?
We have always told you that we have your best interest at heart. That's it.
Then grant my request. It's simple.
And you have to drop this your idea of wanting to join the army. What we want you to do is to take a wife, settle down, have kids, and then I promise to give you whatever you want.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Father. I don't want to get married now. The only thing on my mind is becoming a soldier.
Son, please. Don't talk again. Just listen to us. Okay, I promise to get you a good girl from a good home. Okay?
You're disrespecting me now. Don't you think when I want to get a wife, I should do that myself?
Do it now. You are not getting any younger anyway.
Here you go again, Mother. I've got my life to run. Allow me to run my life the way I want to run it.
The way you are running your life, Anna, is wrong. Can't you see it's affecting us? Your father is already having sleepless nights, thinking about how to help this kingdom, and you are just a distraction. Can't you see it?
And how is that my business?
You're very stupid for saying that.
Oh, Lola, calm down.
No! Igwe, no! Let me talk some sense into this boy. What is your problem? Listen, I am giving you just 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get a wife. Else
What, Mother?
I'll get you a wife myself. You need to be responsible.
Okay, then. The boy is good, by the way.
Ahana!
Lola. I don't think this is the best way to approach this problem.
What else do I do?
Get the rest of the
Ah.
Baby, you're here. Your clothes are dried.
Oh, thank you. Drop them by the chair. I'll do the ironing myself. Huh? All right. Thank you so much.
My prince. Udowu. Iwu Mukolobi. What is wrong? Talk to me now. Huh? What's going on? I've never seen you in this kind of mood before. Madam Seka. Talk to me now. I'm your drummer boy, yo. What is going on?
My parents are playing with me. They think I'm a joke. Seriously. Especially my mother.
Lol.
My mother.
Lol. You know your mom now. Lolo is a no-go area. How come out there?
That's the problem. She's doing it because I have special love for her. Imagine telling me that she's giving me 2 weeks to get married.
Eh?
And to crown with all that, she will be the one to get the wife for me.
That's an expensive joke. That's not possible. Huh?
See, if I know the first place, I know for just come back to this country. Or better still, I for just stay Lagos. Because staying with them is cause I don't understand. No, what did I do wrong? Because I'm saying the truth? Or maybe the manner I'm doing it, you know. But man, I've got my life to live. They have their own life to live. You get? If I become the king, my guy, you see all this rubbish they do in this community. I would tell them, say, normally, the boy is good.
Yes, now all the time.
I can't wait to just join the army. If I join the army, become king, need to hear what they tell me for us. If you do this, I'm this, I'm that. Why? No, think I'm now.
It don't make sense. That one don't make multiple sense at all. See, let me tell you, when you join the army, don't forget me. Remember your number 1 ADC. I'll clear all the whole road for you. Eh?
Oh no. That's right.
So don't be angry.
What are you now? What did I do now? What did I do now?
Down, sir. Go down, sir. Come on, go down.
What did I
Bow
do?
for the future. Bow for the future king. Oh, come on, bow for the future king.
Who is the girl to you?
My girlfriend. Yes.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
I see. Have you gone to see her parents?
No. And why do you ask?
Wait, if you like say, come on, maintain. You say, why do you ask? Are you stupid?
Sorry.
Oh yeah, observation.
Do you know me?
I know you, my prince. Prince Hannah.
The boy is good.
All the time. I know you.
And you had the guts to ask me such stupid question, right?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
Come on, comport yourself. Position.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my prince.
So you're one of those stupid boys spoiling the girls in this community, right?
No, my prince. I'm not
The other day, Ugona's mother came to the palace and reported her daughter being pregnant by an unknown guy from this village. She was actually raped.
Right, Tananabi.
Prince, I don't used to rape you.
I'm
One neck count to Nabi.
my prince.
Count to the huh?
My,
Count to that. Come on, mature now.
Count to that. What? You said what did I do now, my prince?
Hey! Position!
Go home.
Come here, come here. No. Come. Love, whatever. Loving a man, you're there. Face the floor. I say bury your head.
My prince, I'm innocent though.
Kneel down.
You say...
You said something. You said you love him.
Loving.
Interesting. So, what do you know about love? Lecture us, we don't know. You don't know what is love?
He's my boyfriend and I love him.
Your boyfriend and you love him. Interesting. So what has he done for you as your boyfriend? Nothing. Does your father know you have a boyfriend? Do you know if he gets you pregnant right now, I can assure you that your life will be useless because he's going to deny you. Do you know why he's going to deny you? Because he doesn't have something doing. So you think your boyfriend smooching on the road is the best thing, right? Has he gone to see your parents?
Yes, no.
Yes or no? I would have slapped the hell out of you right now. Are you mad? You stupid!
My prince,
Now get out. Go home now!
Why have you chosen to deny me of the peace I deserve as king? We have more pressing issues bordering on us in this kingdom, like food shortage. But all you are concerned about is being irresponsible. What is your problem?
Get out. Hell out of you. Once I become the king, this village will be disciplined. The boy is good.
All the time. That boy. The guy that
is good news. I love good news. I mean, it is well received. Please go and tell Akasi the town crier to go around and announce to people that all will be well.
Your Majesty, the gods are really happy. But I think the people of this land do not want the crown prince to be their king because of his stubbornness. I suggest you bring your second son back from Obodo Ibo so that he will learn the ways of the land now that you are very strong.
Well, I want to thank you. You are not just the Lord of this kingdom, but my very good friend. I appreciate your concern for my family, especially attitude of my son. But I want you to assure the people that my wife and I are working towards changing this as an attitude. And I promise you, it will change. I do not want to lose faith. As what concerns my son, leave that for me. When the time comes, I will take that decision.
Very well then. That would be nice. But, Your Majesty, you have to call him to order. I received 2 negative informations against him yesterday. Bring the crown prince back to order.
Don't worry, we shall work on it.
I trust you, Your Majesty. I think I must be on my way now.
Thank you.
Tabo. How far will Lolo day? Confirm. Mona link up now, eh? The boy is good.
You're here, son. Anna. This is Ogechi, my son.
Spare me
My prince. The prince looks unhappy.
Worry not. Okay, I don't think he's in the best of moods. Let's go in. The king will be waiting for you.
I put my bags.
No, they've taken everything. You don't have to worry, okay?
Okay.
How are you? Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
So how is Chief Mentor? And how are the rest of the family?
Everyone is fine.
They sent their greetings.
Chief Mentor has been my long-time friend. Now that you're going to be my daughter-in-law, I believe that our bond is strong.
Well, Ogechi, let me show you to your room. You can come back to discuss with the king later, okay? All right. My king.
My bags are staying with her.
Oh, yes. No.
My prince. As usual now, I no fit for your hand. Eh? More change location. No, yeah, one now. That's whom we call up here. Hey! No one. Confirm. I'm loyal, my prince. More change location. If you just come out, make a smile. Put a smile on your face. Wait till I talk. Put a smile on your face. Oh, no. Put a smile on your face. Smile for Jesus. I don't want people to understand what is going on here. Just be smiling. You see, that land, Nigerian, kept for the children.
Go down here.
Bend down.
Bend down. Come on, bend down.
Come on, comport yourself. Comport yourself very well. There's one guy. Okay, we know.
Oh no. What was that rubbish you were telling my father?
My prince, I never said anything against you. All I said was from the gods. The message was from the gods. And your father, the king of this kingdom, should know better. I believe he should be aware.
I see. So, what you do now is go about gossip with my name, right?
All you heard me say was from the gods.
Oh no!
Now if you must be a king in this kingdom, you must turn a new leaf. The people that you are maltreating are worried and they are scared. Oh no!
So, the people are scared of me, right? But you are not scared of me, or where?
Hey, come on! What's this on?
Give me that.
Come on! Yeah? Then I will change.
Hey! Oh!
Listen and listen good.
Oh no!
If I see you anywhere close to the palace, you know they fear. You know they fear. Are you mad? Okay.
I am not afraid of you.
You say? You say?
Killing me will not stop the truth. It will not. That throne belongs to the people you are maltreating. Turn a new leaf or else you will lose the throne. Either to your younger brother or to someone else. Hey!
you know why I'm sparing your life and your sight? Because I want you to stay alive, to watch me become the king of this land.
Iyayo, I believe you.
Not even you can stop me. But I promise you, on the day of my coronation, I will shoot your skull. No.
You are terror for people. I am if on your Imana mebu mada joka Mana nyako jemoji Imana mebu mado joronjo Mana nyako jemeni God forbid Can the tiger be the shepherd God forbid That's the cry of the sheep God forbid Can the tiger be the shepherd God forbid That's the cry of the sheep
But I can't, is anyone who can farm here kind of pile of natural things? Yeah. Well, I am using here as my small garden. As you can see, I have some plants. So when you come in, you can actually plant something too.
Oh, my queen. The palace is really beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for showing me around.
You're most welcome. You see, I am doing all this to show you how much I want you to be here. Hmm?
Thank you, my queen.
I hope you will not disappoint me.
No, I promise. My queen, I am really pleased to be here. This place is beautiful. I will do everything. I will try my best.
Okay.
But my queen, the prince has not spoken to me since I came here. Hope he's fine.
It is. It's okay. You see, my daughter, the prince is a very difficult person. You need to use wisdom to be able to deal with him. Hmm? I just want you to know him first, then you know how to go about it. Okay?
Okay, my queen, but how? I mean, how can I do that? Like trying to know him, how?
It's easy. Listen, my daughter. Most times in life, you come across with people or situations ordinarily you wouldn't want to be with. But as a woman, you are capable of changing anything. There is something called the power of a woman. Use your power as a woman to change whoever or whatever you want to change. For example, my husband is a very stubborn man. Very difficult. But I used the power of a woman and humbled him. So like I said, just try as much as possible to know the prince first. And everything will follow.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go inside.
Okay.
All right.
That's the cry of the sheep.
Once in a while,
Hannah, my son, when I look at you, I still see that young king that came from my loins. You are a delight to watch. You know, when you were little, I used to watch you and then I'll just thank God for giving you to me.
Though people did not see the great man in you, but I still see it.
Father, let's keep talking like a poet and go straight to the point.
Well, my son, your mother and I have found you a wife. She is calm, from a decent home too. Give her your consent and make her your own, son. You will not regret it.
Can you tell the girl, the good girl, from a responsible home, can you tell her to kindly go back to her parents? If she doesn't leave this house, I will be forced to leave this house for you guys. I've told you severally, I want to be a soldier. Marriage can come later.
Soldiers still do marry.
Imana mebu mada joka mana nyako jenoji. Imana mebu mado joronjo mana nyako jemeni. God forbid. Can the tiger be the shepherd? God forbid. That's the cry of the sheep. God forbid. Can the tiger be the shepherd? God forbid. That's the cry of the sheep.
Go and talk to him. In every woman lies the power to lay a man down.
But my queen, he doesn't even like me at all. How then can I get his attention?
Go and talk to him. You're a woman. I know you can do this.
Imana mebu mada joka mana nyako jenoji. Imana mebu mado joronjo mana nyako jemeni. God forbid.
Greetings, my prince. My prince, you don't look happy. Can you tell me what bothers you?
The boy is good.
Imeha. Okay, Bugaka.
My prince, since I came here, I've not been able to talk to you. Can we talk now?
Now listen and listen very good, girl. If you must stay in this house, then you must learn to mind your business. Stay away from me. Else, I repeat, else.
But my prince, have I done anything wrong?
Said something. If you must stay in this house, then you will learn to mind your business. Learn to do what? Business fool! Now get the hell out of here, fool!
This was not what you told me. You told me he will respond positively when I speak to him. It seems that my talking to him gets him more upset. He nearly choked me to death.
Ogoichi, I don't want you to give up just like that. Already I have told you the kind of person he is. He is hyperactive, but inside of him, he is soft.
My queen, I accepted to can't make these moves because of the respect I have for you. But this whole thing is becoming so serious more than I bargained.
No. Don't talk like that. No. He likes you. Soon you will know that I am right. He is my son, and I know how to get him.
My queen, the fact is that he doesn't like me at all. Or like Irom.
There's something I want you to do.
What again, my queen?
I want you to go in and rest. You are so worked up now. Later, I will tell you what to do. Okay?
Okay, my queen.
You need to calm down.
Thank you, my queen.
It's okay.
Aside, your life aside, the loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for you to talk about it all the time. You don't do waka, you don't inform, you don't misbehave all of the time. Ain't nobody telling you what to do, but you be balling like say you no give a damn. Hey, but your stubbornness got into you, now you never less. Now you done the careless, now you done the fun breast. Waiting man go do, for your case I know if you know, but you ballin' all the screw, and these people know if you know what you gon' do to you, now you done the shame on you, ain't nobody talk to you, you beat them up and screw you too.
It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones.
I really want to. Okay? But Father, like seriously, at my age, why are you trying to get a wife for me to marry? Am I an imbecile?
My dear son, you couldn't get one for yourself, so we got one for you. The least you could do is to try and be grateful. Show some gratitude, not attitude.
Nice rhyme. Gratitude and not attitude. Well, Father, if you must know, unless you grant my request, I, Ntiwo Biago, will never succumb to your rules.
You have grown wings. You now talk back at me with so much disrespect. You've gone out of your mind, I believe.
Well, Father, I'm not here for debate. I am a full-grown man, and as such, must be treated with respect. My decision to enroll in the military is final. I cannot go back on that. The boy is good. The boy is always good.
Greetings, my prince. You look worried. What is the problem?
With you by my side, I can never stop getting worried. If you know what is good for your miserable life, pack your things and leave this palace. I will kill you! I will kill you!
My prince, please give me a chance, even if it's little.
Get out! Get out!
Anyway, tell your parents I stopped by, so I'll be rushing back to the office.
All right, they'll be here. Take care of yourself.
It's all right.
Ah, my father is here.
Oh.
Chike.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Papa, welcome.
Thank you. So how are you?
Very much fine, sir.
It's been ages, so. I thought you didn't want to see our faces again. Hi. So how's work?
Well, work is fine, sir. Very much fine, sir. You see, as for me not being around all this while, I must confess it's been tedious. Okay, tedious. I know the deputy governor will always want me around him. Yes, sir. I must confess, it's really, really stressful, sir.
Yeah. Deputy governor. Stressful. Okay, I understand. But this your relationship with my daughter. I don't know where it's heading, oh. I don't know whether you want to make this Osho free perpetual. You are just chopping for free. I don't understand, though.
Papa, tell him, oh. Tell him.
What is he telling me now? Anyway, don't worry, sir. You see, very soon. I am working towards that. Okay. And you will see me in action very soon, sir.
Okay. You are working towards it. Very soon. Action man. It's okay. I'm just saying my own. Cynthia. My food, please. Action man. Okay now.
I'll be with you soon.
All right, sir.
You've heard it from my father.
I've heard him.
Like, don't do the needful.
I will do. Anyway, let me get going.
Take care of yourself.
I, Ntiwa Obiago, the boy is good. We will never go back on my decision. Mayor, Oge Bumaka.
Huh? Who are you to give orders and stick to them?
The boy is good.
Shut up.
Lolo, calm down. Calm down. Let me talk to you. Son, first when you were born, we gave you the name Ahanamefuna.
Oh, yeah.
That is the name that you will bear. I don't know where you got all this Tiwa and where is it? I just don't know.
Well, that is what you chose to call me. I have every right to choose the kind of name I want for myself.
Will you shut up?
Prince Ahanna, you are the crown prince of this kingdom. You represent a deity of the soon to be king. You cannot bear such names. Thou will bear it. The name we gave you is what you will bear.
Father, I cannot go back on my decision, and that's final.
Prince Ahanna, you are the crown prince, and you cannot be a soldier. You are insisting on being a soldier, but the crown prince can never be enlisted in the army. I want you alive.
Father, that is my decision, and it's final.
You are the crown prince. Ahanna Mefuna Obiago. You are the crown prince. You were born for the throne. And the throne you must live for and live up to.
Father, I have respected both of you enough. I became 30 this year, yet you people are still bossing me around. I want to join the military, and that's final. But if you both are hell-bent on stopping me, then I will do something we'll all will regret. Or is cooked.
God forbid, can the tiger be the shepherd? God forbid, that's the cry of the sheep. He's the terror of his people. The tiger is on the loose. He's the darkness of his people. The lion is on the road. Is the pain of the kingdom.
Ogechi, where are you going with that bag?
Sorry, Your Highness. I am going home.
Why? I thought you were supposed to stay for at least 1 month. Then go back home and prepare for the traditional marriage proper.
I know, Your Highness. I'm sorry, I have to go now. I can't keep on sowing hope into an unfertile land. The prince doesn't even want to set eyes on me, not to talk of marriage. If I keep on staying here, he might end up killing me.
May the gods forbid.
Ogechi, where are you going with the bag?
Sorry, my queen, I'm going home.
Home?
I'm going home, I'm sorry. I can't keep on deceiving myself. I'm going home.
Lolo,
I think it is high time I used my father's strategy on Anne. If you remember, when he wanted to prepare me for royalty, he did something. He got me a wife, and that wife was you, and he used you to turn me around. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea. It might work. Let's use it.
Okay.
Shall we?
It's not about who you are, nor what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, sit, Hannah.
Hannah, brighten up your face a little bit. We are not fighting now, or are we?
Well, not yet, but we just need to make it snappy. I've got no time.
Well, it's okay. I'll just go straight to the point. I just want to ask, are you still interested in joining the army?
Is that supposed to be a question? I've been singing it, saying it all the time.
Anna, I am your father. You have to watch how you talk to me. I want the best for you. Just that you have not been living up to expectation as a crown prince you are.
Well, I've been trying to be good. Just that I don't like to be controlled. Especially my mother. My mother has been trying to subject me to a suckling. And I will never succumb to that.
Like father, like son.
Oh, well, that's the heart of a lion and the heart of a king. But, Anna, my problem with you is that you have always been bonding with lads that do you more harm than good. And that's not good for you. Your mother here has always said that if you join the army, you may end up committing more crimes than you do now.
Why would you say that, Mother? I'm not a criminal. I'm not a rapist. I haven't been caught in any of those crimes. So how then do you think I will go into crime when I become a soldier?
You bully people without reasons, even as a civilian. You have been in and out of the police net more than notable criminals in this village. And it doesn't speak well of you as the crown prince of this great kingdom.
I see. So what do you want me to do now?
Change. Very simple. Change. Now, son, just give us a better option. And then we'll gladly oblige you. Well, but joining the army? Mbano, please.
Exactly, son. Say something else and we will support you. Okay? Forget the army. By the way, why do you need to work when you have everything at your beck and call here? That's it.
Well, I will think about that. The boy is good.
That's my son. Honestly, you don't know how handsome you look when you smile.
Yeah, of course. And you should do this more often. Smile, smile, smile.
Excuse me.
The boy is good.
All the time.
Life aside, the loving to you is a crime. Your heart, it got too broken for
The
you.
crown prince of Okoto Kingdom. Hey! Okay, well, so hard.
The boy is good.
What your time, my prince? Hey!
A little cage now.
Papa, I am still your drummer boy. Hey! Give me a drink. My friend, will you keep quiet? You stupid. The wagon, madam. My prince, sorry. Madam, my manners. Papa, just tell me the sound you want me to beat for you and get your subject dancing. Papaya!
That's my boy. Now listen, I think we have been on this level for a very long time. It's true that we've You know, we've done so many things to gain respect in this village, but I think we've been on it. So we need to change plan, level, everything. Okay, because if we continue like this, these people are no longer subjective to us now. I know what I'm saying.
If I hear them, I go play beat for them now.
My cigarette.
Give us a cigar.
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to the prince. No, I don't smoke this one.
Let's cigar.
Prince, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm your shot. Please.
Come on, let's cigar. The blue network will be blue. The Kunaga Suibo is not like mannerless disturbing my conversation.
I haven't done that. I think we need to change plan. Because if we continue like this, like I said before, we will be ridiculed to my subjects.
Baba, now you be the plan master now. Waiting, I wonder if no be to the play beat for you. See, now me be your number one on your team.
I've changed plan.
Hey, Baba, let's go hard on these people now. Eh? Let's go hard on them. Eh? The boy is good though.
Okay.
All the time.
You see, you're my homeboy, and I think it's about time, okay? You see, that promise I made to you on making sure that you return back to base must come to pass. I'm still on it, and very soon I'll give you money to travel back.
Madam! Madam, I beg, give me one shot. Give me one shot. I won't clear my sister. And they go, and they travel go and bring one shot now. Say, sir, you see?
Yes.
I don't want to see bike for this community. If I get discuss, I don't want to see what kind of they pass for here. Pardon my manners. My manners. Hey! Papa,
G, new level unlocked, eh?
New level.
So we'll carry everybody along.
New level.
That's what's up.
Let's carry each other along, go!
It's not about who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to the ones that care about you. Life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience.
How much old?
Those 50 naira soup.
Okay. You are not serious. And please, can I have my soap? I don't have change.
What do you mean you don't have change? All the time me that kind of say, bring change, make her come on here, beg.
So because of soap of 15 naira, that is why you're giving me 1,000 naira note. You are not serious.
You are very stupid. If you go home, tell your mother, your sister, and all the women around you that they are not serious.
What?
Idiot.
Are you okay? How dare you mention my mother's name
and my sister's name in that manner?
You are the one that is mad.
Are you stupid?
You don't know that I am someone's sister, future wife, and future mother. Give me my change.
I can see that you are rude.
You are very stupid.
You are mad.
You are mad. You are stupid. You are stupid. Give me. Mama, is you know that useless shop owner? I went to buy soap. He started insulting me and my family. Can you imagine that?
Is that enough reason for you to fight?
Mama, that is more than enough reason for me to fight. Eh? Is he mad? Is he stupid?
Cynthia, my daughter, I wonder why you enjoy fighting. I wonder when you will start overlooking people, even if they are the ones that offended you.
Dear Mama, on whose side are you? No, why do you like taking other people's side? Eh? Anyway, I don't blame you. Anyone that looks for my trouble will die here. I will fight and fight and fight. In fact, I hate men. All these useless men, I hate them.
If we fight everyone that offends us, this world would have been set ablaze even long before you were born. You have to learn to overlook and forgive people that offend you so that you don't go fighting every day.
Like I said, Mama, if anyone looks for my trouble, we die here.
Cynthia! Cynthia! Like this, she wasn't even aware that you were around. What kind of rubbish is this? Honey, that is where you got it all wrong. Eh? Cynthia is her daughter. But anytime she does something wrong, you always refer to her as mine alone. I've been talking to this girl, but her problem is that she has refused to heed to advice. And I am done talking to her. So why wouldn't I say she's your daughter? Is it not mothers that normally advise their daughters on how to behave? Eh? Just imagine her. Look, I cannot live with this kind of human being in this house. Somebody should just come and bury her away. So, let me have peace of mind. What is this? And we came in here, you were not even aware that we are here. Dancing up and down. Follow us to vigil. You say no. Early morning like this, you are playing music, you are dancing. You've turned my house to a disco club. What is this now?
Why are you shouting?
More shouting.
So I cannot dance and enjoy myself in my father's house.
Come on, shout. Who is saying that you should not dance and enjoy yourself? But is this the way people, your mates are there like early morning like this? You are dancing. Follow us to the vigil. You refused. And now you are here misbehaving. Is the devil working with you or what?
Papa, what is this? You told me not to dance when you are around. I obeyed you. You went out. I started dancing. You are still complaining. What did I do wrong now?
Will you shut up?
Papa, I don't like this kind of thing. Please.
You don't like it? Let me tell you, this is my house and you follow the rules. Whether I'm here or not, do something useful with your life. Do something useful. What has happened has happened. Let it go. Don't dwell on it. It's not the end of the world.
Papa, stop it. Stop
You are warning me, eh? You are warning me. You are warning me. Don't want me to break your head? Please. What is wrong with you? Leave her. Has the devil taken over your soul? Look, if not for the sermon that I heard at the church, I would have dealt with you. I'm trying to calm down now. Now you made me, I've committed sin. I've put the word of God on the ground now. Please, let me collect it. What is this? You made me to commit sin now. Idiot! Get out from there, let me get it.
You, this girl. You, Idiot! Cynthia, I don't know how you managed to enter my womb.
Oh, Mama, didn't you hear what Papa said to me?
Will you shut up? A wooden body. No fear.
I'm just respecting both of you because you're my parents. It's not like I don't know what to do. Let me even go to where I'm going.
Twinkling to any winnie, stars puff out from the chambers of my heart, and I said, I must talk to you. You look.
Once they find the gutter where they smell. It means that your mouth they smell like this. Ah! Before you talk to a woman, you brush your teeth. Brush your mouth, brush your tongue.
Are you mad?
No be madness, Mata. Go your papa house, go brush. It's not a crime to brush. Before you talk to a woman, you brush.
Your papa?
Eh?
I say your papa.
My papa?
Your papa.
Your own papa?
You the
Your
man.
mama? You're dead. You slap me?
I slap you.
You slap me?
You the craze.
Stop it!
Oh my God! Calm down. Wait, what is it?
Is she your daughter?
Yes.
Is that girl your daughter?
Yes.
Get out your daughter, please.
What has she done?
Your daughter stabbed my friend with a bottle. My friend!
How?
Okay,
How? What did happen? Where? How? How did she do it?
That question is not for me. Just go in there and get your daughter for us. Please. Okay. Get me your daughter.
Wait, still calm down. Calm down. So, where is your friend now? I mean, you should have taken him to hospital.
I'm play for you. What did happen now? Be your daughter, come out. That girl stabbed my friend with the bottle.
Wait.
Smarty, so they play for you.
See, you take me there. When we come back, I'll be able to deal with that useless girl.
Go.
Go first. Go and save the girl.
What this girl will
Go.
Now, what did happen for you now?
That's your daughter. One that's your daughter.
Go.
First now.
This girl will not kill me, Cynthia.
Mother, have they gone? You're crying. Did they beat you? Mama, talk to me. Did they beat you?
Cynthia, my only crime in this life is just giving birth to you. What else? What else could you say I've done to deserve this embarrassment from you?
Mama, this is my only problem with you. Have they gone? Thank God they're gone. Mama, those boys are strong. Oh. With the way they chased me today, they can catch the future. I swear.
Oh. Now I know you are out of your mind. Just pray. Keep praying that the person you hurt survives. If not, you will pay the price of your being stubborn.
Mama, this is my only problem with you. You like to take other people's side. You have not even bothered to ask me what the stupid boy did to me. Anyway, he will survive it. I stabbed him in a safe place.
Eh?
Yes.
Safe place, you said? See your useless mouth. Pray that he survives. Keep on praying.
He will survive it, like I said before.
Where is that good-for-nothing prostitute? Where is that prostitute? Where is your prostitute daughter?
What is it? Did they hurt you?
No, it didn't hurt me. I had to take the man to the hospital. Eh? It's from the man now. In fact, we are lucky that I got there on time. But now he's in stable condition. Yes, but he lost a lot of blood. Eh? So where is he?
Hey. I'm going out.
Going where? You are not only a prostitute. You want to turn yourself to a murderer also.
Papa.
What is Papa? You almost killed that man. Eh? Now get inside there, you idiot. I'm off here. Look, want this your daughter? I'm not Pama. Look, want this your daughter? Want her? Oh?
I've been talking to her now.
Talking to her is not enough. Make her change. Talk to that your daughter. Talk to that your daughter.
Welcome, son.
Mama.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mommy. How you
so
doing?
Good to see you. I'm fine. And you?
Well, I'm okay. After a long time, right? I'm seeing my mother again.
I missed you.
I missed you, Mother.
Your father is inside.
Oh, he's right inside. Okay, I see him there.
So, son, how has it been?
Well, Father, the boy is good. You see, I won't lie, I had fun. It's been an amazing vibe all these while. I had so much fun, you know, flexing and too much flakes and so on. It feels good to have a rich father, you know. So, how was the village? The elders, disgruntled or no? What's up with them?
Please, don't go there. I mean, you promised that if we gave you 25 million naira, that you would turn a new leaf, drop all those grudges against them, and then live your life like a crown prince.
And your father and I made good that promise. We are glad you're happy. We want things to remain the way they are, please.
Well, enough of all this talk now. My good son has just returned from the city after a 3-month vacation. And I think it is nice if we prepared a good banquet for him.
Well, let me see what the cook is preparing.
All right then.
The boy is good, mother. So, Father, how have you been?
Well, it's been good. We'll be fine. And you? I hope the city treated you fine.
Well, cool, cool.
You have found a woman of your own now.
Well, Father, too much flakes, I must say. But for the woman, there are a few on the pipeline, but I haven't chosen any yet. But when I do, I will surely let you know.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Okay. So, Father, I was wondering, yeah? You see, I've done, quite, well, I say, expenses. I've invested in too much fun for some time now. So, if you don't mind, can you kindly help your son with more money? Yes, like let's say like 10 million.
I just gave you 25 million naira 3 months ago.
Oh, come on, Father. You need to take a chill pill for real. 25 million is absolutely nothing in this generation. Not unlike your generation when 25 million may be a big money, I must say.
You must be out of your mind. What do you take me for? You think I have a tree at the backyard where I pluck money from? You lavish 25 million naira within 3 months and you're sitting before me to say this?
Oh, come on, Father. It's not like I lavished the money. I invested the money in fun. Okay? And besides, what are you keeping the money for? Look, I'm not asking for too much. I'm just saying that 10 million. Oh, yeah, 10 million is cool.
I am not giving you any money again.
Really now? Okay then. You're not giving me 10 million naira. Fine, I understand, Father. If 10 million is a lot of money for you right now, can we do 5 million?
Curses from my ancestors are still potent.
Okay then. The boy is good. Alright, we'll see to that.
He's the terror of his people. The tiger is on the loose. He's the darkness of his people. The lion is on the road. Is the pain of the kingdom. Ifonye metalubulu mwakaze. Obulu na yuza mota diapala mwakaze. You are terror of the people. Oh, I am Ifonye kotalubulu. Imana mmegbu mmadụ ajọka mana anya ka o ji eme ọjị. Imana mmegbu mmadụ jọrọ njọ mana anya ka o ji eme nni. God forbid. Can the tiger be the shepherd? God forbid.
I don't know, Prince Ahana, whatever you call yourself. Why would you block me? Why are you blocking my way? Oh, I can see. The other time you didn't take correction.
We meet again.
You're looking for my trouble. I don't even understand. Why must you block my way? I'm talking to you, Prince Ahana.
So, you've grown too big, right? or maybe too stubborn to address me by my name, Ahana, without regarding me as the future king of this kingdom, right?
Why do you derive joy in bullying people? Huh? You're from a royal family, and what you're doing does not depict royalty. Why are you doing this? Huh? Oh, I see. You've forgotten what I did to you the other time. Hmm? Fools!
And who are you to tell me how to run my life? Like, who the hell are you? You know, you always feel you're wise and learned, that you can talk to me anyhow, right? I remember clearly how you called police for me, right? After dealing with you. This time, you will call army, you even call FBI.
Leave me alone!
Okay.
Guys, the boy is good. Let's give her a lift.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Okay, son. Take care of yourself, oh? It's alright. Yeah. When did you leave this house?
Last night. I went to the club.
Chineke. How? I was the one who locked your room door last night. And as I there, you were deeply asleep. So,
with all due respect, Papa, I am just coming back from the club. I am tired. I need to sleep. Excuse me.
Papaya! Papaya, for you. The boy is good. All the time. Looking better. Hello. So what's up with you now? You're supposed to have traveled.
Baba, you don't know these stupid agents. Huh? Every day they will keep demanding for money. So I decided to patch now. See, Baba, make I tell you. Baba, waiting at the go Yankee go do now. You I don't love past woman. Eh? I can walk away. I'm nagging now ADC #1.
I believe you. So the issue now be saying a business short pass for you.
Baba, I don't invest the money for business. Now short pass for me like this. Let me be closer to you. Eh? Papaya. Hey! Mpa, I'm loyal for your ministry.
If I know now.
Mpa, no go say I don't know my law. Your ADC, I will give you every information. Mpa, who do go there? But anyway, fuck up. Just want me. Papaya! Come on, tell me give you Papa.
What can I better? The boy is good. All the
time.
Guess what?
What is it?
These are the names of noisemaker jubilating that you left. Monday 14, and actually. So I wrote their names. Oh no, who is #1 now?
After everything we did to
I
you.
want for you.
How can I about first and failure or no?
I don't feel it now.
Okay. Anyway, guys, let's head to the city for a day, have fun. Then when we come back, we'll work on this list.
All for you.
The man, man.
All the time. When I get me, Hey, Papa. You can do. Prince, if I ever go back to that village, my mother, go where?
Guy, you need to take a chill pill. What's up with your business?
Which business? Someone's walafe. Oh, I'm not going back to that village. I will die here. Hey!
Guy, don't be distracted though. Everything boils down to money. You have to make money, man. Leave all these things where you see here. Nothing come out though. So
we'll make the money first. But let's enjoy. Let's enjoy.
Chipu coins ka agụ ego.
Wepụ that coins ka agụ ego.
Chipu coins ka agụ bondo.
Hey, Papa.
Yes. Wahala for who blind though.
I swear.
Guy, I like that girl though.
Which of them?
Chipu coins ka agụ ego now.
Papa, this is my first time of hearing you talking about woman. When I like in here, no. Go, why don't you go for her?
I just like the girl.
Go. Hey.
Okay, I'll come.
Mama go there.
Papa, believe you. Okay, then me sorry.
One man, demarcation ike this girl they can swimming pool. Hi. Chini ike nnamu. Imana prince danger. Ebe ọ bụ na ọ jecha onye dakpunye n'ime ọ dakpunye ozugbo. Hey!
Sorry, a minute of your time if you don't mind.
Okay, Alaj, okay, 1 minute, yeah.
What's your name?
Angela.
Okay, my name is Ntiwa Obiago Nwakeze. The boy is good.
Okay, all right, Alaji. No, it's fine. Okay.
Can I have your number? Maybe we'll talk much later.
Yes, okay, yes. When would that be? Father, you sent for me.
Yes. Please sit down.
All right, I'm seated.
Cynthia, my daughter. Look, if there is any problem, open up to me. I'm your father. What is the problem?
Problem? Papa, do I look like I have a problem? Ha! Please, I don't have any problem.
Cynthia, I invested my money on you to send you to the university so that you can become good in life. As a matter of fact, I forced your brother into business so that I will be able to train you properly. But I don't understand. What broke the camel's back?
Nothing, Papa, nothing. I established a good business for myself. But you said no. You closed it down.
That business is not good for you. I didn't send you to school because of business. I sent you to school so that you can use the certificate to look for work. I used my connections to look for several jobs for you. All you needed to do is to pick one of those jobs and do. Then you become good in life.
Papa, I don't want to work under anybody. I want to be my own boss. Huh? The business I established for myself was very lucrative. But no, you will not have it.
Just shut up! Lucrative how? Look, I cannot be alive and watch you open a sex toy shop. To do what? Look, why have you decided to sell your heart, your soul and your body to prostitution?
Papa, stop it. Stop it. I don't like it when you talk to me like that. Stop saying that to me, please. Don't do it again. I don't like it.
Look, Cynthia, I invested my time and money on you in order for you to go to school and be good in life. Now, instead of you to make use of that, you started moving from one club to the other. You turned yourself to a gangster fighting along the streets. Now, let me warn you. If you do not change, if you do not turn a new leaf, I will be left with no option but to disown you. I've told you my own, no? I've told you. You better change.
About who you are, not what you feel. It's not about who you are or what you feel. Oh no, life is so precious. We must guide with our conscience. Love is good, life is better when you give back love to your loved ones. Love is good, life is better when you give back love.
Thanks for today.
It's alright. You don't need to thank me. I can do anything for you.
Alright.
I'll see you much later. Alright, baby. See you.
Okay, bye.
Wow. Wahala for who blind though. The boy is good. All the time, baby. See you later.
Alright.
Alright.
Babe, this guy is looking rich. You won't cut my hand. See, listen, let me tell you. This guy is not just rich. This guy is royalty. And guess what? He is wealthy. Hey! Money.
See, you have to gist me. Gist me, oh!
Yeah, I can't gist you.
Hey!
Wait. So you mean this guy is the crown prince of his land?
Well, I really can't conclude. But the most important thing is that this guy is wealthy.
Hey, God. Hey, babes. That means one thing. More money in our accounts.
Yeah, you're right, but more money in my account.
It can be your account. More money in our account.
Not at all. In my account.
In our account. Don't let me steal you.
I need to go freshen up.
God. A crown prince. Babesy, don't joke with this guy, oh. Are you hearing me? Ha. Omo.
Hey, Cynthia. So, where do you think you are going at this time of the night? You are going for your harlotry business, right? You will have to kill me before leaving this house this night.
Papa, stop saying that to me. I'm not a harlot. I'm a decent person.
Oh, Miss Decent. Good. As a decent girl, now go inside and sleep like the decent girl that you claim to be. Alele. Mrs. Decent, oh yeah, go and decent in your room. This girl. Okay.
nwata wanyi, imapani puamo. Eh, I no go lie nwata wanyi, imapani fuamo. I no go wait to talk my mind, never like you, girl. I no go wait to talk to you, baby, hear my mind. Baby, cut to me. Imani rigo no more people. Baby, show me smile. Imani wear anything na chop. Baby, black in it. Oh, yeah, where you feel na chop.
Oh, they touch me. Oh, they touch me, I beg. No, they touch me.
You are very stubborn, and I like that. I love stubborn people. But I need to know one thing. What in heaven's name gave you the zeal to break that bottle on my head?
I'm supposed to be the one asking you that stupid question. Huh? You, what in heaven's name gave you the right to be touching me like that? Your hand no get control. You just see woman like this, your hand they touch. I be like say they say pomo. Or you see me as I did like this, you see me as pay as you go.
That is who you are. You are a prostitute.
What is that? No, don't let me that. If you call me that thing again, Satan will punish you. No, don't try more. If it is say your head they touch, my own they jump. No try him again. Yeah, I see, you see. What is that? No try more. For me and you, I go use something to bust your brain now. Then they just shift now. You see what I go do you.
Oh my goodness. I love stubborn people. I said that before. But by the time I'm done dealing with you, you will know that the boy is good. Tabu. Get her back.
Huh?
We need to call her relative before doing anything.
Yeah. Sister Jero.
No. I go break you like secret now. Come up from my side. Though.
Come on, give me. Is this how they look your face? No, look me first. Is this how they look your face? Come on. Give me this. See, if I wrong, enter you, your spirit go chatterbox, they go Ghana.
I hear that. Give me my back.
Wherever you are, you will come and meet me here. Anywhere you like, go. You will come and meet me here. I will kill you today. Useless girl. Cynthia, so upon all the warnings, you still sneaked out of this house. You will come and meet me here. Who are you? And why are you with my daughter's phone? Please, is she safe? What has she done? Is she okay? Hey, please don't harm her, oh, please. She's the only daughter I've got. Please don't harm her, don't touch her, please. What do you want? Hello? Hello? Hey, yes, God. Ukanda! Come and see what your daughter has done, no? Hey!
Papa, I'm going to focus. Listen, you. Papa,
I did game. Where my wrist was, see me there.
Baba, when I light, I carry here.
God will punish you. See your offer will see. May you no come be like say smoke when they smoke the entire. Guy give me my business.
Baba, only one day here, and I want use a whole body.
You want use her?
I tell you.
I can't use.
Oh boy, I deal with you now. Make I put my eye for you now.
Use her now. Make I use.
No shaking now, beg.
The boy is good. The boy is good. Therefore, you say I hear with bad things. Where the girl?
I tell you, like this. Like this. I don't take a chance to you. They mad. Come on.
You dey mad? You dey mad?
My prince, I believe.
You dey mad? Girl, why I live for you? Make we just talk. You let the girl run. You dey mad?
My prince, I dey beg.
Shut up. I know your guys. Just this guy. How for you? Make a recharge card for our guys. Stretch, bury your head. Wait. Now, but listen on. Come on, make go. Who be you? The Chris. And then me, na fuck up. Or same could be na me. I go fuck with you. You will fuck with you. You dey mad? See, I dey give you 24 hours. You dey hear me? 24 hours to find that girl. I don't want to know how you want to take find her. Go any state, find that girl, bring her back to me. Make her wait that girl, no see her. Say, Baba,
you be my prince now, my prince.
Guy, the boy is good. All the time now, yeah, you dey fuck up. I dey tell you, you get spiritual jonesing for your body. The way why they take see you now. Come on, that's from the same Baba. You know Baba.
I believe my ghost work, I must tell you.
Which one be saying a ghost work? You don't know so Okoro before. City bad.